Now to the latest story about aviation industry. Minister of Transportation Budi Karya Sumadi demanded the aviation industry to open up some domestic routes that have been postponed during pandemic.
The Minister of Transportation expressed his support for Indonesian aviation industry after implementing strategy to survive the challenges of COVID-19 pandemic. The aviation industry is expected to start preparing various strategies, including optimal cooperations between operators. One of the way is by maximizing flight time slots and reactivating some domestic routes that have been postponed during pandemic. These efforts are certainly expected to improve the aviation industry.
Kerjasama operator penerbangan dapat dioptimalkan. Salah satunya maksimalkan slot time penerbangan serta mengaktifkan rute domestik yang tidak sempat beroperasi sementara, sehingga industri penerbangan semakin membaik.
The minister also emphasizes the importance of collaborations with global organizations such as International Air Transport Association and International Civil Aviation Organization. These collaborations is focused on health protocols to improve physical distancing, contactless service, up to medical examinations. Jakarta, Wicky Adrian for IDX Channel.